Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license arn riwe khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka Toyota TKM ringkat ke jing trelang bat ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong ha ka santrik naitung arajar Plie kala play pat ba ya ka technical education program khnang ban aji kai shi samla pule ki ba angnot bandang pentebet shushu ilade ha ki lan trikam fer ya kene ke technical education program la play pat ba da ka menteri ka sarkar jilla ka Dr. Ampri Ningdo ka balongum ka Kongsan ha kini ke sngi haringkat ka jing sakilang jong kinong mikmat na ka Toyota but na ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong.
Toyota in India, we have a vision statement. It reads, grow India, grow with India. And when I was sitting there, I was just tempted to just think about that. And it's so deep. If you want to look at an organization and its desire to grow, it cannot grow unless the society grows, the country grows, and the community grows. So, skilling and being a part of that endeavor is something that's very dear to us. We've been working in the space of skilling practically from the day we started operations. And TTEP goes all the way back to 2006, the program that we're talking about today. Now it has a foothold in almost all the states. This is the 63rd center. And this is aimed at bringing up skills and technicians in the area of automotive maintenance, which is so critical for us, for any OEM, to deliver true customer satisfaction. And especially so when the technology is so evolving. What you saw with automobile perhaps 10 or even 5 years ago is no longer valid today. And what you will see of an automobile 5 years hence will be completely different. So a very fast-paced, evolving part of the economy and industry. And this is where we really want to get involved with institutes like Don Bosco to be able to impart quality skilling initiatives, to be able to generate the skilled technicians of the future who can take the country ahead.
Prepare themselves for good opportunities of employment in their adult lives. The number of children that come to me seeking for admission in this institution is crazy. But what I worry most is when I follow up with kids whose fees I have paid, kids whose training I have supported. When I follow up with them after 2 years, sadly many of them have just disappeared into oblivion. They disappear and they just don't do anything. So coming to Don Bosco Technical School, making an MLA request for the principal, what's the point if you're not going to be using that training productively? So Father, whenever Madam says, please give seat, don't listen. You evaluate the child first. Because really, I have spent so much money from my personal sources and other sources on educating kids from my constituency in various programs in Don Bosco. I'm so happy that in this turnaround of technology, we have Vikram Gulati representing the entire Toyota team. I will not remember everybody's name, please pardon me. But exceptional, exceptional dedication for Toyota to come all the way to Meghalaya and set up an institution like this and be willing to partner with, of course, you've got the right partner, for sure. But coming all the way here and actually are willing to train our kids in these new modern technologies in vehicles. You will not believe it. Nobody drives a Maruti 800 anymore. About 20 years back, Maruti 800 was the most happening vehicle. But today you see, nobody cares about Maruti 800. Nobody sees a carburetor in a vehicle. Of course, drivers like us should learn at least how to change the tires in case we get stuck anywhere in the jungle. But the point I'm trying to drive home to these young people is go earn for yourselves. Go seek employment. Believe me, don't think that if you're a graduate with 45%, you have a high rate in the market. It's better you have a TTEP certificate program from Don Bosco than to go for 3 years and come up with a result which is just 45-50% BA or BCom. You will not get jobs. This is something you have to understand. Yeah, see, problem with the state of Meghalaya is that many people imagine that okay, chalo, let's have a 10 to 5 job with government. Everybody will line up for a government job. That's not the way. Look at my job. I had a government job. I left it to join politics. Every 5 years I have an exam. And to pass the exam. Otherwise I miss 3. Because Father, I'll tell you what, this is the way people are. They want us to feed them. They want us to chew the food for them. They want us to do everything for them. But I would like to see that the state of Meghalaya changes. We should have young, dynamic, young people. Don't only complain about your sarkar. Say, what can I do for my state? See, nobody asks that question. You're always condemning MLAs, no? All those comments everywhere. How they crucify us. What are you doing for the state of Meghalaya? What are you doing for yourself? Are you doing anything? So when you condemn us, you should also ask yourself. So you are very fortunate. And I will hand over any child, preferably from my constituency. I will buy the tools. And maybe you only give the topper. 2 or 3 toppers, where I will provide the tools. Funds should come in by first week August. Let me also collaborate with you for that. Let's make these kids totally more fun. We should make them totally ready to face the world. And let me tell you, if you're in a private sector, unorganized sector like this, when you pass out, no 10 to 5. No 10 to 5 job, you have to work on demand, you get bonuses, you get paid extra, you will work in shifts. So this is something that it's a new model of our lives. We have to look at how our lives are changing. And I hope that we will be able to, partner further with Toyota. Thank you so much, Mr. Vikram and your team. TTEP. Yesterday when I was looking at that TTEP, I didn't know what it was. Then now today I'm educated and I'm so happy that you are the first batch. First batch. Okay. And